Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use segments. When you create a collection using the app, you have the ability to create multiple segments within one collection, which is practically like creating a few collections in one collection. Let's see how it looks. So now we've created here a collection with the filters of tag winter, tag boys, has inventory, and we excluded two segments, 2018, 2019, and we sorted it by this sorting strategy. But as we see, this winter boys collection is really random in the sense that we have like this type of products, then gloves, then socks, then boots, then hats, stuff like that. So we really want to change that in order to control the setup of the collection and to create a much more converting and good customer experience. So let's see how it looks. All right, let's take an example of first. Um, Use hats. All right. Now you can create another segment from scratch, or to make your life easier in this case, we can duplicate the segment. And now let's take boots. All right. So in the second segment, we'll still have winter boys inventory excluded these segments, but now all the products that are tagged with winter boots. We can change for each segment the sorting strategy. Let's say here I want to change it to variance with stock ratio. You can change it the way you want. Let's create three segments for the sake of the example. Here, let's third segment, let's use gloves. Keep it like this. This is okay. And now if I refresh the preview, what we'll see now is the first option that we have for all the products are laid out, which is first we get all the products from segment one. You see the badge here of S1. These are all the hats. They are sorted by this sorting strategy. And then scroll down, you can see all the products from segment number two, all the winter boots sorted by this sorting strategy. And finally, the segment number three of gloves sorted by this sorting strategy. So this is the first option that you have using the segment, one after the other. This is the strategy, all the products from segment one, then all the products from segment two, and then all the products from segment three, etc., etc. Another option that you have, you can choose an alternating strategy. And then let's say, for example, I want every three products to change the segment. You can change it to whatever number that you want. In this case, let's use three. When I refresh it now, what we will see is that I get three products from segment one, then three products from segment two, then three products from segment three. So you got three hats, three boots, three gloves, and then it repeats itself: three hats, three boots, three gloves, three hats, three, etc., etc., and goes on and on. So you can create, really control the setup of the collection, and create, like I said, a good converting customer experience. But let the data and automation do the work for you. And based on the sorting strategy of each segment, make sure that the best performing and the right products are pushed to the top. You can use in the segments either type, color, vendor. You can use different data, like the first segment would be new arrivals, then bestsellers, then non-moving stock. You can really create any type of mix of products that you want based on the business goal. You can also use it to pin products to the top in the first segment. So you can really have full control, full dynamic control over the setup of the collection, but then let the app do all the heavy lifting and do the work for you with all based on the data. And of course, everything is automated. Above the segments, you can also push up tags. You can push down tags below the segments, or you can push up new products above the segments. You can push down auto stock below the segments. Product groups you can still use, and you can also create templates of segments. Please see the video on templates to know more about this. Thank you.